Hyundai has unveiled its new fuel cell SUV called Nexo. The Nexo would go on sale later this year and would replace the existing Tucson fuel cell SUV in the market. The Nexo is underpinned by the bespoke platform, and this means the car would weigh less. Power source of the Nexo is also new, and according to Hyundai, it takes up less space in the car compared to the Tucson engine. Apart from the new fuel cell technology, Hyundai has introduced new electronic driver aids on the Nexo. It includes a new system to park or call the vehicle remotely. Another system is a self-driving aid for single lanes. It works at speeds between 0 and 145 kmph on both highways and city streets.